Now here's a quick video on how to set maintenance reminders on new 2018 models. If you look at the screen over here, you're going to see on your home screen you have a car info button. Now this is going to allow you to get information like driving statistics and vehicle monitor, which I don't encourage looking at while you're driving. It's not very safe. You can get most of this information right in your center display, but that's another video. Maintenance is where you will find how you can schedule maintenance. If you look over here, you have schedule. We can add an event. Now, typically when you change your oil, you're going to have a tire rotation. So usually instead of setting it as one of those, I just set a reminder to bring it in for service because the dealership will know what to do when I get here. So I'm going to enter it for 6,000 miles from right now. Hit next. Now, because it's every 6,000 miles or 6 months, whichever comes first, a lot of folks don't drive that far. What if they only live 2 or 3 miles from work? They might only do 8 or 10,000 miles a year. So in that case, we're also going to set a date. So that way, if we don't hit that 6,000 miles before the 6 months is up, at least we're coming in for service every 6 months, which will follow the suggested schedule from Subaru. So today is the 22nd. So we will set it for August 22nd, 2018. Hit next. So it's going to remind me at 6,000 miles or that date, whichever comes first. Hit finish. That little check mark means it's going to remind me when the time comes.